Reactions to garlic and other alliums, such as onions, leeks, shallots, and chives, can occur for different reasons, but it's important to distinguish between a true allergy and an intolerance. A true garlic or allium allergy involves the immune system reacting to proteins found in this food. Though rare, these can lead to symptoms such as hives, swelling, breathing difficulties, or even anaphylaxis. In such cases, strict avoidance is necessary, and affected individuals may carry an epinephrine autoinjector. The reaction may occur with raw or cooked garlic or alliums, as some of the allergenic proteins can remain even after cooking. On the other hand, many people experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating, gas, cramps, or diarrhea after eating garlic, onions, or related vegetables. This is not an allergy but an intolerance, often related to FODMAPs, fermentable oligosaccharides, disaccharides, monosaccharides, and polyols. Alliums are high in FODMAPs, particularly fructans, which are poorly absorbed in the small intestine and ferment in the gut. This can cause significant symptoms, especially in people with IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Unlike allergies, intolerances are not life-threatening, but they can still be highly uncomfortable. In both cases, allium avoidance can be challenging because garlic and onions are widely used, not only as main ingredients, but also in seasonings, stocks, sauces, marinades, and spice blends where their presence may not be obvious. It's always helpful to ask guests for clarification whether their reaction is an allergy or intolerance, and whether it's okay for alliums to be in stocks or they need to avoid all sauces. In addition to well-known allergens like peanuts, tree nuts, shellfish, and dairy, there are several less common food allergens that can still cause serious reactions. Some of these are regulated under allergen labeling laws in many countries and are increasingly important in hospitality settings. Here's a brief overview. Celery allergy. Celery allergy is more common in parts of Europe and can be triggered by both raw and cooked celery, including the stalk, root, celeriac, and seeds. It's also often used in stocks, spice blends, and soups. Reactions may range from mild oral itching to severe anaphylaxis. Mustard allergy. Mustard is another common allergen in certain regions, especially Europe. It can cause serious allergic reactions, and traces are often found in condiments, marinades, salad dressings, and spice mixes. Both yellow and brown mustard seeds may be involved. Sesame allergy. Sesame allergy is increasing globally and can cause severe reactions. Sesame seeds, oil, and paste, like tahini, are found in bread, baked goods, sauces, hummus, and processed foods. Sesame oil, even in small amounts, can trigger a response in allergic individuals. Lupin allergy. Lupin is a legume related to peanuts and soy. Its flour is used in gluten-free and low-carb products, especially in Europe. People with peanut allergy may also react to lupin due to cross-reactivity, and reactions can be severe. Egg allergy. Egg allergy is more common in children, but can affect adults too. It typically involves reactions to egg white proteins, though yolk can also be a trigger. Eggs are used in many foods, including baked goods, mayonnaise, pasta, sauces, and desserts. Some people tolerate cooked eggs as cooking denatures the proteins, changing their shape, which is no longer recognized by the antibodies. In this case, the eggs must be very thoroughly cooked, so a sponge cake may be okay, but gooey cookies or brownies are better avoided. Soy allergy. Soy is a widespread ingredient in both Western and Asian cuisines. It's found in obvious forms like tofu and soy milk, but also in processed foods, sauces, soy sauce, teriyaki, emulsifiers, and vegetable proteins. Allergic reactions can vary widely, and so is one of the major allergens requiring clear labeling. Fruit allergy, including pollen food syndrome. Some people experience allergic reaction to certain fruits due to cross-reactivity with pollen proteins. This is called oral allergy syndrome or pollen food syndrome, and often involves itching or tingling in the mouth or throat after eating raw fruits like apples, peaches or kiwis. In some cases, fruit allergies can be more serious. For example, kiwi can cause severe reactions. Certain fruits, like grapefruit, can also interact with medications, particularly those affecting the heart due to their effect on liver enzymes. Not an allergy, but an important consideration. Sulfite sensitivity. Sulfites are not proteins, so they don't cause a true allergy, but they can trigger asthma-like symptoms or even anaphylaxis in sensitive individuals. They're used as preservatives in dried fruits, wines, pickled foods, and some processed meats. Individuals with sulfite sensitivity must avoid foods labeled with sulfite additives like E220, E228 in Europe. Understanding these less common allergens is essential for ensuring safe and inclusive service. Always take guest concerns seriously, check ingredient lists, and when in doubt, consult with the kitchen or suggest safe alternatives.